Hey guys, I want to show you where your Bobcat recirculation filter is located on your Bobcat Tier 4 loaders. Behind your seat, sometimes it'll be up here, but in this case, it's right there. This cover right here has to be removed. I read that there's about 3 or 4 clips to snap out, and it pops out, and you're gonna clean it, air hose, maybe some wash on some water. If it's really, really dirty, then replace it. All right, behind the seat. All right, so mine's really dirty. I started out by popping the corner out and then just wiggling my fingers all the way across it to pop this thing out of place. Come on. There we go. All right, it's 3 clips. There you have it. So that looks filthy, and I'm gonna wash this out. Soap and water. I'm gonna start with that. Also gonna clean all this out over here with some soap and water or some spray and some paper towels. After you go ahead and clean your filter and clean the area out inside of it, you're gonna reinsert your filter. I actually just went online and I ordered a brand new one. It was 25 bucks. It's gonna be delivered tomorrow. So I'll put this in temporarily right now, and I'll put the new one in tomorrow. I just wanted to replace it. So hope that helps, guys. Have a great day.